Welcome to Speech Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech-language pathologist. And for today's video, I will be reviewing an SLP product. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get started. For today's video, I will be reviewing the Adventures in Speech Pathology Oral Motor Assessment cards. These cards are that. They are used to conduct an assessment for oral motor skills. I purchased these a few years ago for my graduate intern student who is really struggling on figuring out how to complete an oral motor assessment for one of our little kids coming in for an initial evaluation. So we did print these out. Oh, the older version. This is the newer version because she has since updated it. I did have them on a binding, what is it called? A binder ring. And when I updated and printed out the new ones, I did add binding discs instead. This set comes with 21 cards and you can print them out and bind them either using, a binder ring or binding discs. You can also keep it as a digital file and use it off of your computer or your iPad, which I do have it on my iPad in case I need it, but I really do prefer having it like this because if there's a specific card that I want to use, I can just pull out that one card and then I can just pop it right back in to my little book here. This product retails for $7.50 on the Teachers Pay Teachers website. She also has it listed for the same price on her website, adventuresinspeechpathology.com. I will link both of those down below. So let's get into my review. My reviews have 5 parameters. They are storage, price, child response, functionality, and overall. So let's go over storage. 5 out of 5. You can keep it as a digital file. You don't even have to print it out. You can leave it on your iPad. Your iPad is not very big, or you can print them out and look at how little this little book is. I keep it in a little zipper bag with my pen light, some toothettes, some gloves. I probably have like a nuke brush in there, a few little oral motor things. Sometimes I pop in a little lollipop in there in case I need it. And it's a very small bag. I don't have it in a large bag. It's a very small zipper bag. So storage wise, it's very easy to storage. On binding disc, it's very functional to take them in and out. So that storage makes it very easy. So that's an easy 5 out of 5 for me. Price. I think that $7.50 is a reasonable price. I'm pretty sure that I spent $5 when I purchased it a few years ago, but I would still purchase it for $7.50. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. It's under $10. I feel like when you have those little kids and you're trying to get this assessment done, having a cute little picture, open your mouth and pretend to take a bite of food, I feel like it really helps out these kids. Like I said, sometimes I'll pull them out. I might grab a candle and pretend to blow a candle. That's what we're working on, just to kind of match what we're doing here. Maybe grab a balloon so we can try to practice blowing up a balloon, just to make it easier for my kids if they're struggling to do them. I might pick out 5 or 6 that I feel are like the most important, and then if I'm able to get more, then I'll get more done, just depending on the compliance of the kid, and just work it out there. But price point, I think it's a good price point. Child response, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5, only because sometimes for an initial evaluation, oral motor assessments can be difficult for kids. If they're not the most compliant or they don't want to be, then it's really hard to get some of that information. So you have to get it later on once you've already started therapy and you've established rapport with the kid. So oftentimes, like I mentioned, I may just pull out 4 or 5 that I feel are like the most important to try to get those. Now, it's not the fault of the cards. You know what I mean? Because children do love the cards. It's just like overall oral motor tasks can be kind of daunting for kids. I think they do enjoy the pictures, but sometimes having to follow these directions, it's just kind of like, I don't want to. Functionality, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. It does what it needs to do. It helps you facilitate these movements that you want from your kids when you're doing an evaluation on oral motor skills. And overall, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I really like it. I like how small it is and how easy it is to keep. I love that there's a digital option and that you can keep it on a digital file on your iPad, which is what I do, and I really enjoy that. I'm sure you could keep it on your phone and have a smaller version of it, and I think that's a really good idea too. So I do really like this product. I will have it linked down below. I would also like to know if you already own this product and what are your thoughts on it. I am really happy that I purchased it. Like I said, I purchased it for my student years ago, but I'm happy that I did because it's nice having it in my tool belt. If I need it, I can just whip it out and it's very easy and small. And it's fun. I think it's fun. That's all I have for now. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. Like this video, share it with your friends. Also make sure to ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.